talk about whatever else is on my mind. So today I have a special guest. All my guests are special, but today is extra special because she's a friend of mine since I honestly don't know when, but her name is Tishara. She is a small business consultant and entrepreneur. She has plenty of businesses, but here's Shara. First of all, Shara, I just want to say thank you for being here.
Thank you. It's an honor. It's an honor.
What? Like, she traveled out here, okay? Like, she's...
Listen, you know I'm down for whatever.
Oh my gosh, yes. She's one of those people who has a map in their room, visualizes a map in their room, and has each dot to where...
She wouldn't lie to you.
I wouldn't lie. Alright, so I want you to look at these ingredients here and just take a wild guess.
Is it sweet potato pie?
No. But if I was to pull this out though.
Watch your feet, 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 watch your feet. Hey, what could it be?
Watch me, watch me.
I don't know, Danny. Tell me. Dig on me, dig on me.
Macaroni and cheese.
Let's get it. Let me wash my hands. First things first.
Right.
First of all, you know I love soul food.
Yes. And
so you did this on purpose.
Absolutely.
And I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
And I'm living.
Yes.
Wait, so how are you going to incorporate sweet potatoes and macaroni and cheese?
So for the mac and cheese, we'll be blending all of our ingredients except for the noodles to make a smooth cheese sauce. But first, in 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, we will saute 5 whole cloves of garlic and 1 chopped onion. We then have 1 sweet potato and 1 carrot, both of which will be peeled, chopped, boiled, and cooked with our garlic and onion. In addition, we have 1/4 cup of cashews that adds to the creaminess of the sauce, a 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, which is basically a vegetarian food filled with vitamins. We have a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which is great for your joints, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, black pepper to taste, 1 16-ounce box of cooked whole wheat noodles, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. I usually chop the parsley up and put it on top of the mac and cheese, but this time I blended it with the rest of the ingredients, and I'm going to surprise Shara and top our mac and cheese with some coconut bacon I've made. If you guys want my recipe for my coconut bacon, please let me know.
I remember one of the first memories with you was at a lingerie party.
I threw a lingerie party before I even had the inkling that I was going to be starting a lingerie line without even
noticing that I was preparing.
I have been walking my path.
Yes, this whole
Didn't even
time.
know I was walking. I've been running my path, bro.
You have. So
tell
me about your lingerie line, because it's not just your average. This is not anything.
It's not about lingerie at all.
No.
That's what I tell people. I keep telling you, you can't introduce it first as a lingerie line because it's not even about lingerie. It's so much more. The brand is called Live Intimates. So it's love, but with an A, so we can play on the words. And literally just be love.
Yes.
That's the purpose of the entire brand. Be love.
Come on, let's take a trip to my fruit basket. Shara, I want you to just pick something in here you want to try. What do you want to try? What stands out to you?
These. Oh my goodness.
Do you want me to pick something for you?
Oh my goodness. Pick for me.
Blood orange.
Yeah, I need that.
The perfection. This is what God gave us to eat. Balance. Instantly. Oh my God.
Ooh, I need more of that. Give me more.
Yes, God.
So I went to school for international business and entrepreneurship. So that's how I learned how to do small business consulting.
They taught you that at Temple?
Yes, surprisingly, Temple taught me something. It is Black economics. I need to see my people succeed in the way that I know we deserve to succeed. Even though money is not everything,
Right.
we need to get these dollars rolling in our community, period.
I really just pray for happiness and satisfaction in life and the outlets and the platforms to be able to inspire as many individuals. I don't care what you look like. If I can say something, or a guest of mine on my show can say something that will touch your soul, because that's what it's about. It's about touching your soul. It's not about anything more. It's not about $1. It's not about that. So I'm really just mushing everything in here up. The carrots and the sweet potato were just so perfectly
this is
boiled.
Becoming cheese.
First of all,
how?
We are mad scientists, so you know what that means. Hold on.
Are we alchemists?
Hold on a second. Because at this point, we are scientists. And we must wear our uniforms!
We in the lab. We are in the
making
lab.
cheese out of vegetables. Can anyone see this? Okay? We are in the lab. Mad scientists and more.
My evil plan
It's working!
So at the last minute, I decided to toss some kale with salt and pepper to go with our meal.
Look at the color. Incredible. Like, super smooth. The cashews play a huge part in that. It makes it that it gives it like a smooth, like nutty flavor. Just a hint. Nothing too obnoxious, but this it did what it was supposed to do. Feel me?
Right.
Alright. Bacon out of coconut flakes. Okay.
You love me.
With a slice of cornbread. Okay.
Give me a hug.
Mac and cheese with bacon on top. Greens and cornbread. What are we missing? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. For the taste test.
And I already know it's about to be popping. I'm ready.
Yeah, so we have some greens, macaroni. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Instant chakra balance. Instant. And this girl is from Virginia. She knows soul food. What does this taste like to you?
Dani. Wait a second. Hold on the play. Nah. Cut this, nah. This is
You're not doing this?
I'm walking away. This is crazy. Nah. Let me.
And there you have it, people. There you have it.
This is amazing. I'm back. And this is amazing.
Yes.
I'm gonna go eat my meal in peace.
Yes. We end every episode with a selfie with my Polaroid camera. And second, I just want to thank you for being here once again.
Yeah, never a problem.
Yes, let's say vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese.